Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you're updated on my next video. Today's video, I'm gonna mop my floor, guys. It's sunny, so you can see the dust on my floor. Lots of people walking with their shoes so dirty, as you can see. So, yeah. So let's mop my floor before my kids get up. Okay, so let's do that first before the kids come down here and make their breakfast. This floor is just so nasty looking. So let me put you on my tripod and we're gonna start our work. All right, guys, our map is ready. I have a big room of a big map over here. So what we're gonna do is just mop the floor. Kind of wet because I just rinsed my mop. So we have two map here, one for drying and one for like mopping. So just get to it, guys. Just a quick one, guys, because I also need to go. Ano siya, guys, very wet. Ano, yung ating trapo, guys. So balik na to siya og sok-sok dire, guys. Hanin ni siya. Humani mo og banlaw. Imo na siyang sok-sok dia. Tapos oopsie. Imo na siyang ibutang og balik. Na siya, guys. Alright, so we're gonna mop again. And I will dry it first with this. This is my drying also. So we're gonna dry it first because the blue map is really wet. So you don't want your floor like leave the water. You need to mop it with the dry mop right away, guys. No. So yan, ano na natin i-dry na natin yan, guys, no. I-dry lang natin. Ito yung pang-dry natin, guys. Pang-dry. So we just dry it. Yeah. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Okay. Dito banda, kailangan siya tanggalin para tanggalin natin siya, guys. At ipasok yung kamay dito, no? Dito banda. Diba ko kung nakikita nyo, guys? But I'm just wiping. Ganon. Kamang-kamang. Okay. Because it's really dusty. So as you can see, my floor is no more dirt. Malinis na siya, guys, no? Ayan. Saan pa yan? Malinis na daw kung mayroon dapat eh. But makining na siya, guys. Diba? Makinang na siya. Kita na nyo, guys, diba? Makinang na siya. Ayan. Yan siya, guys, oh. Ang sawg lang, ha? Sawg. So, ayan na siya, guys. So, banlawan sa ni nato siya. Kay kani siya dali lang siya mauga nga tarpo. Kay is for drying. So, it's easy to dry. So, we're gonna rinse it and we're gonna use it again. Ayan, guys. Na-rinse na natin. So, balik lang natin dito sa... Ganila na siya, guys. Dinhi kay gamay raman. So, gamitan na itong kamot. Kamang-kamang tayo ba? Ganon. Ganon lang siya, guys. Yan, maraming kalat. Now, can you hold it now closer? Push it closer. Push it so far. What I'm doing here. Push it. Hold it. You can just hold it. Bring it here. Yeah. I'm just wiping here closer to the rug, guys, because it's very dirty. You see this part right here, guys? Yan, napakadumi. Kasi yung trash can malapit. So yung minsan yung mga anak ko, guys, tapon lang ng tapon, kaya ayan. Kita nyo, guys, yung heater. Marami ng dirt. Sobrang kalat. Dami nang nakakuan ba. Ayan. Pilit na siya, guys. Namilit na. Ganon siya, guys. Ganon buhay nanay. Linis in the morning. Ganon. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Sobrang dumi. Ayan. Kita nyo. See. Yan siya, guys. Ganyan yung ating life. Ayan. So dirty. So now we're gonna rinse our mop. Over here, just put you right here. So I can rinse my mop. No, closer to the map so they're not ready for the rinsing. Oh, hindi makita, guys. Basta, ayan. Ganon lang, guys, kay hindi man siya pwede i-map kay kuan man siya, sulok ba? Sulok. Kailangan ikamot talaga. Sulok. Sa mga sulok. Saan ang sulok ng mundo? Ayan, guys. So, ang sulok ang mundo. May may alikabok, guys. Char. Magtrapo si mama. Daming bugaw, guys, oh. Daming karpit. Daming libag. Ayan. Very dusty. Kita nyo, guys. Underneath the carpet, you can see, so you need to flip a little bit your carpet because it's just too much. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you see, that's underneath, so you need to check your carpet underneath. So ganyan lang, guys, pag maglinis kayo, ganyan lang siya. Time, so hindi ko na tatapusin yung aking paglilinis. Medyo malinis na yan siya sa paningin ko. Wala na siyang masyadong cramps. Ayan, oh, malinis na yan siya. Ayan siya, guys. Clean, a little bit clean. So, yan na siya. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan, medyo malinis-linis na siya. Wala na siyang cramps. Wala na siyang mga cramps dyan. Okay na rin yan sa akin. So, mamaya, anuhin ko yan. Gagamitan ko siya ng buna para talaga siya makinang yung ating sahig. Kasi hindi ko siya ginamitan ng buna. Pero medyo, pa siya, smudgy. Kaya wala siyang buna, wala siyang product. Tubig lang talaga siya, guys. Minap ko lang talaga siya ng tubig. Yung sinabon ko lang yung map, yung ganon. Marami pang kalat, but hindi ko napapakita sa inyo dyan lahat. Kasi medyo smudgy talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya pag wala ka talagang product na ilalagay sa sahig mo, hindi talaga siya basta-basta makuha yung mga smudge. So, kailangan mo talaga gamitan siya ng product. So, yeah, dito na magtatapos ang aking video. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you're updated on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye guys.